We're here at Hamilton Motor Company. We just installed the 2016 to 2021 Lexus LX570 Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. For a while, we've had a kit that would install into your factory screen and add CarPlay and Android Auto functionality. This brand new product, built on our trusted technology for other Lexus screens, fully replaces your factory screen with this awesome touchscreen. Whether you use Apple Music, SoundCloud, Spotify, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, you'll have all of your music right here available, and you can see how nice the cover art looks. Well, this does not have a particularly great looking album, but we can show you another song, and you can see how nice that cover art is. Coming back home here, whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, you can see how nice it is to have large touchscreen maps. Of course, Siri will read your directions.
Starting route to Walnut Creek Amphitheater. Proceed to Corporation Parkway, then take the first left.
And our kit does not compromise your mouse. Touching your mouse will make it appear, and it works just like it would from the factory. A quick tap on the screen makes that mouse go away. This feels truly like a seamless product that came right from Lexus. Any other app that has a CarPlay component will be fully compatible.
Parker said sweet. And want to grab some dinner tonight? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Parker?
Let's get dinner at 5.
It says, let's get dinner at 5. Send it?
Send it.
Done.
You can see, because our kit uses the factory microphone, phone calls and text messages are a breeze. We'll show you a phone call in just a second. Of course, this kit is fully compatible with your steering wheel controls. As well, if you shift into reverse, your factory backup camera works. A long hold of the menu button for 3 seconds will take you back to the factory screen where all of your features are available. Our system does not compromise XM radio or factory navigation. You keep every single feature with this kit. Let's have Siri make a quick phone call. Call Eli.
Calling Eli.
Yes, hello.
Eli, I'm calling you from a 2020 LX570. How do we sound?
Good, you sounds awesome.
Awesome, brother. And do we have tech support at Hamilton Motor Company, both in Spanish and English, in case your installer speaks Spanish?
Yes, sir, también hablamos español.
That's right. We're here to take care of you. If you have an installer who only speaks Spanish, we have full documentation in Spanish, and we can take good care of you. Eli, I'll give you a call a little later, okay?
Thank you. Thank you for calling.
A quick press of the menu button will take you to the Hamilton underlying operating system. This system, powered by a premium Qualcomm processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, allows you to load any app from the Google Play Store. This makes our system far more powerful than any of the newest vehicles on the market. You can do almost anything you want with this underlying system here. Of course, pushing the menu button quickly takes you back to CarPlay. This system is fully compatible with both Android Auto and CarPlay. We'll show you Android Auto here in a separate video. Coming back home, one of the questions many folks ask is whether they can load files directly onto our unit. The answer is absolutely, of course. That's why we have so much onboard storage. And finally, another question we get a lot, if you're in CarPlay, how does it look when the temperature comes? And so when you do up and down on your temperature, you can see how it appears in CarPlay. You don't lose any functionality, and you never have to switch out of CarPlay if you don't want to. Of course, our system shows temperature in Fahrenheit, or if you're an international customer, we can switch that to Celsius. Our tech support team has full control over every software aspect of this device, and we will support it for years to come. Once again, my name is Dave. I'm here at Hamilton Motor Company. We have an industry-leading warranty and North Carolina-based tech support here for you. Give us a call, 919-858-2890. We're grateful for your business.